Hi, Zara! Happy 19th birthday sa'yo. Wow. Time flies so fast, diba? 19 ka na. Alam mo, napaka-thankful ko kay God kasi you existed in this world. You were one of the few I considered as my true friends. Kasi, totoo nga na, totoo kang tao eh. Hindi kayo parang iba na pupuntahan ka lang pag may kailangan ka. Pupuntahan ka lang pag may kailangan sila sa'yo, di ba? But you know, you're real. You're not like those plastic people, ganun. And, Tira, na-admire ko sa'yo na sobrang kind mo, sobrang generous mo, sobrang parang napaka-compassionate mo din kasi like, you've been there through my tough times din. And thank you, Tira. Now that you're 19, I hope na you will stay the same. Pero, syempre, mas mag-mature naman tayo ng konti, di ba? And wherever you are, I hope you're okay. I hope you're happy. Kasi, ikaw yung isa sa mga tao na, parang lagi kong nakikita na, ang saya-saya yung parang, wala, masaya lang. Hindi ko lagi nakikita ganito. Diba? So, yeah. Namimiss ko na yung mga times natin we've been together. I know, hindi ito just some crappy message para ipahatid sa'yo na sweet siya. No, I'm saying this, Jay, with all of my heart. And, yun, miss na kita. I hope you'll meet soon. And, Jay, enjoy your day, okay? Sana, i-bless ka pa ni God. Tsaka sana, soon, magkita tayo soon, like, reunions. Mama ka na, please! Okay? Yeah, yan. I love you, Jaira! Ingat lagi. Stay pretty.